Hello there guys, it's 7 days later. We have done 771.2 miles. The light is on and it says we are left with 62 miles. It keeps going down to like 57 and then it goes to 62. So I think this is enough. Let's just go to put diesel and let's see, how much we have used. So I'm going to the filling station now to put diesel. Right, here is the receipt. It says 57.7 liters I was able to put back in, and I spent, where is the price? I spent the £63.92. I tried to push it to 65. It wouldn't allow me. I tried to shake the car a little bit, but this is the amount I could put. So 57.74 liters went in. Last time it was 59 that went in, so now it's 57. All right, now let's look at the thing there. Right, and it says I'll be able to drive 900 miles. Now, because I want to try this again, I'm going to just go ahead and press the trip meter so that I try again and see if I can do this multiple times. But as you can see, guys, this guy is really good on fuel. He's excellent on fuel. And when people say we should buy electric cars, it doesn't make any sense to me. The guy called Robert Llewellyn of Fully Charged, he's telling people go to buy electric cars. Why should I buy electric